Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.